Hello, my name is Diego Robledo. I'm a researcher working at the Roslin Institute, University of Edinburgh, and also the University of Santiago de Compostela. Today, I wanted to provide a quick video about a workshop that we developed as part of the GRINNAQUA project. GRINNAQUA is a twinning network funded by the European Union and led by CIIMAR, and specifically by Professor Benjamin Costas. And as part of that project, it was more or less 12 months ago, we performed a workshop on bioinformatics and RNA sequencing at CIIMAR. The materials for that workshop have been uploaded to the Roslin Institute of Aquaculture GitHub, where all the materials are available, all the different presentations and cheat sheets and materials shared with the attendees to the workshop. And also the script has been redacted, has been written down here in the README file of the GitHub, detailing all the steps that we've used in the workshop. Basically, this is a pipeline for RNA sequencing analysis. It uses Callisto and DSEQ2 for differential expression analysis, and all the different steps to get from raw FASTQ files until the end differential expression genes, and also some figures are detailed here in the web page. So yeah, the web page is public. You have the address here. As I said, it's part of the Roslin Aquaculture GitHub page. There are also other contents that you can access there, publicly available. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, thank you for listening. And if you have any doubt or any feedback, please feel free to get in touch. Thank you.